Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and it's the middle of the day and I have a broken foot, so I thought I'd make myself a cocktail. Yes, this is the cocktail of the summer. It is a watermelon refresher. It is so easy to make and you will love it. So we're gonna start by having our trusty bullet and adding to that 3/4 cup of frozen watermelon. Yes, freeze your watermelon the night before if you can. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of water, then a shot of vodka, your favorite vodka. That's 1.5 ounces. 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. This is crushed ice. We've got 1/2 cup of that. And a sweetener. And then we're gonna blend that up. And there it is. A slushy, look at that slush. A slushy watermelon blended cocktail. Could not be easier. This will be your favorite drink of the summer. Garnish with some cucumber, some lime, or some mint, and you're good to go. Yum. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.